are going to discuss about the problem number 4. So this is the different shape. Previously we have discussed about the horizontal right angle triangle and the vertical triangle. Then now we are discuss about the square shape. Find the electric charge on the Q. So we have to calculate the net electric charge on the Q. So here, so what are the given charges? 2Q, 4Q and 2Q. So three forces, resolve into the three forces. So force due to F1 due to charge 2Q is at A, just consider force F1. So what is the formula? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. Here 2Q into Q, 2Q into Q divided by, so what is the distance between them? Root 2D. Here also root 2D square now. So all sides will be equal. So root 2D whole square. So root 2 gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled. Let us consider F0. So toward the right or left, otherwise here points is given now toward the AB direction. Towards AB direction. Then next, due to the charge 4Q is at, charge Q is at P point, is consider F2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4Q into Q, 4Q into Q divided by, what is the distance here? 4Q to Q, 2D whole square. So 2 square 4, 4 gets cancelled. What will be remaining? This let us consider F0 towards the direction dB, towards the direction of dB. The next, due to charge 2Q is at point C, is consider F3 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2Q into Q, 2Q into Q divided by, what is the distance here? Root 2D whole square. Square root gets cancelled, this 2 gets cancelled. Let us consider F0 towards the direction toward the CB. So direction very important. Just from you are calculating for 2Q now, so 2Q to Q. So here distance will be the 2Q into Q divided by root 2 whole square toward the direction of AB. So 4Q into Q toward the direction of DB. So 2Q into Q, so toward the direction of CB. So it is a very important. If they are not mentioned A, B, C, D, then you take the toward the upward, toward the right, toward the left. So direction very important. Here the resultant force on Q, here resolved into the components. Here resolved into the components. X component, Y component, and the F resultant component. F resultant also we are getting at the F0 only. So total, so total 90 degrees, half will be the 45 degrees. Here just we have to consider to the two components. So here X component, the resultant on XY axis, resultant resolving into X and Y axis. So then on the X axis, Fx is equal to the, so what is the here? Rectangle. X direction will be the, so X will be the cos theta, Y will be the sin theta. Why? Because of horizontal angle will be mentioned by the cos theta, so vertical angle will be the mentioned with the cos theta. So here Fx is equal to F0 plus, so F0 cos 45 degrees. Here 45 degrees now. Then if you take the F0 common, what will be there? Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Similarly, Fy axis is equal to the Fy axis F0 plus F0 sin 45. Y axis no, horizontal no, so sorry, vertical no, cos theta, sin 45 degrees. So take the F0 common, 1 plus 1 by root 2. So both are perpendicular components. Ultimately the resultant should be the like a Pythagoras theorem. So F resultant is equal to F0 square plus F0 square. So what you will get? So F0 square means F0 plus 1 by root 2 whole square plus F0 into 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So total square root. What you will get? 2F0 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So nothing but a here root 2 into f naught into 1 plus 1 by root 2. So then here if you root 2 take common, so what you will get, root 2 root 2 gets cancelled, f naught into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus root 2. So what is the answer? F resultant is equal to f naught into 1 plus root 2. Here also total square root, here also square root. So f naught square, 2 f naught square 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So root 2 will be the outside. So f naught square root gets cancelled total. So what you will get now? Root 2 into f naught into 1 plus 1 by root 2. Here I am taking 1 by root 2 taking common. Then what we get? Root 2 plus 1 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. What will there be? F naught into 1 plus root 2. So this is the resultant for the square shape. Okay, thank you.